Driving with bad wheel bearings is akin to running a marathon with a sprained ankle. It's ill-advised and will likely lead to more significant issues down the line. Let's delve into what damage can happen from this automotive faux pas. When you ignore the growls and groans of ailing wheel bearings, you're setting the stage for a domino effect of automotive woes. Initially, you might notice a peculiar noise or a feeling of looseness when steering. This is your car's way of sending an SOS. First off, the wheel bearings play a pivotal role in the health of your vehicle's wheel assembly. They ensure smooth tire and wheel rotation. If these bearings are compromised, the first domino to fall is typically your car's handling and ride quality. This can start with a vague feeling of steering or a wobble in the wheel, leading to a decrease in fuel efficiency. Why? Because your car's engine has to work harder to overcome the added friction from the failing bearings. But the damage doesn't stop there. As the bearings deteriorate further, they can cause the wheel assembly to overheat. This heat can then spread to nearby components, risking damage to the wheel hub, the braking system, and even the tire itself. A hot wheel hub can warp, leading to brake rotor issues and compromised braking performance. In extreme cases, this heat can cause tire failure, which at high speeds is a recipe for disaster. Continuing to drive on bad wheel bearings can also place undue stress on your car's suspension system. Components that were never designed to deal with increased vibration or wobbling wheels are now forced to cope, leading to premature wear and tear or even failure. The most harrowing consequence of ignoring a wheel bearing's cries for help is the potential for a wheel to seize up, or worse, come off mid-drive. This isn't just a nightmare scenario for you, but poses a significant danger to others on the road. Living in Portland, Oregon, I'm no stranger to a variety of driving conditions, from rainy streets to the occasional snow-dusted roads. Letting wheel bearing issues slide in such an environment not only risks your safety, but in the event of sudden snow or rain, could severely compromise your ability to control your vehicle. So, heed the warning signs. The cost of replacing a wheel bearing pales in comparison to the cascade of mechanical failures that could follow if neglected. It's not just about avoiding a hefty repair bill, it's about ensuring your safety and the safety of others on the road. Whether you're cruising through the vibrant streets of Portland or navigating the tranquility of the Oregon countryside, remember, a smooth ride begins with healthy wheel bearings.